Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am sharing with you how you can withdraw your money from Brave Publisher to your Uphold, and from that you can withdraw that balance to your bank account or to your credit card. So first of all, you need to sign in to your Brave Publisher account, and after that you have to you will see right here that uh, it says you to connect. Then you have to click to connect, and after that you will be redirected to Uphold, and after that you have to create an Uphold account, and after creating the Uphold account, go to settings and verify your profile by by completing KYC form. And after that you have to connect your Brave account to your Uphold account. After that you have to deposit currency or token. I have this to Brave bad token, but you can also set it to USD or anything else, just like other. If you like to get withdraw in Bitcoin, you can also do that. So after doing that, you have to wait for the 8th of the month to receive your payment, because Brave only provides you the payment at 8th of the f of any month, or for example, if you verify your account and connect your Uphold at May 8, May 1, you will not get a payment at May 8th. You have to wait another 1 month to get the payment. So you have to do these simple steps to connect your Uphold account, and Brave account, and to receive that money. After receiving that money, you can easily redeem it. For example, um, you can withdraw that money. View all cards. After that, you can see I have that. You can send it to the bank, or to other change to other currencies, or do anything you like. mm, I will also show some proofs. I have on around $8,000 from it. You can see here. Yes, so if you haven't downloaded Brave browser yet, please, I request you to download it from the link below in description. It will also help my channel. And if you have any questions related to Brave, you can ask me in the comment section. And if you like my video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.